Hello, I'm Matt, and I would like to welcome you to the channel. Today's video is going to be my take on what I call speed mowing with our Exmark Laser Z E-Series zero-turn lawnmower that I previously reviewed, which you can see by clicking on the link at the end of this video. This first clip is a little more of a normal mow for most people, which is mowing the right-of-way in front of our property. Most people consider the max speed of a mower to be its transport speed. I am the type of person that values his time more than money, so I like to get the job of mowing our property done as quickly as I can. And besides, rocking the Exmark at full speed is a lot more fun. Some people think I mow too fast, but the results of mowing as fast as the mower will go looks great and is more than acceptable to me. I do keep my blades sharp and just recently started sharpening them each mow because this Bahia grass likes a sharp blade. This next clip is a path that I recently grappled after some trees came down from a recent storm. This path I'm going a little bit slower. I use our mower in a manner that I am comfortable with. Make sure you follow all the safety instructions from the manufacturers of the tools and equipment that you use, because failure to do so could lead to serious bodily injury or death. Safety is a priority, so I always wear my seatbelt and use the ROPS bar anytime I am speed mowing, or really mowing at all. This clip is a path that I regularly mow, so I'm rocking the Exmark as fast as it will go. I do slow down around some obstacles. When I was thinking about the title of this video, an event popped up into my head from my previous life as a patrol sergeant with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. I was eating dinner at a Sonny's restaurant with another sergeant friend of mine, and his phone rang with the ringtone for his girlfriend. He had his ringtone set to the song, "I Like Big Butts and I Cannot Lie." There was a boy who looked to be about 9 years old sitting at a table nearby, and his jaw dropped, and he was sitting there like a Venus flytrap waiting to catch a fly. It was a funny incident that gave me an awesome title for this video. Sometimes I do get a little carried away with my speed mowing, and in this incident here, I really wasn't mowing that fast. I was just being kind of stubborn. This tree's been laying in the way for a while, and I've just been mowing around it because I've been too lazy to move it. Well, today I kind of got caught up on it and got that root ball up underneath the deck to the mower and got the mower a little bit stuck. But fortunately, I have a Massey Ferguson tractor. So I went and got the tractor. And of course, I had to stop the tractor just a little too far away for the chain. And I used the tractor to lift the mower up off the log to where I could pull the log out from under the mower. Then I used the Massey Ferguson with a new technique that I came up with to pick the log up and carry it out of the woods without having to cut it up, which I'll have a video on here in the near future. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment if you can think of a pithy comment or two. I hope you have an awesome day.